Hello everyone and welcome to day 3. Today we are going to see how to install Ansible Content Navigator. So without wasting much time, just go to your browser and type Ansible Navigator. When the results come, search for the read docs. As you can see, you'll be directed to the official documentation for Ansible Content Navigator. Then you click on installations. So I am using Linux VM, so I'll pick the Linux and then I will install the basic requirements. So I will close my navigator over here. So the first thing I will do is that I'll try and install these dependencies. So DNF, that's for Red Hat. Let me see for Linux. Okay, so that's for Linux, Mac OS. Okay, so this is just more of a starting special. So sudo, you can use apt install python 3 pip, which we already have. And then you flow. The next step is to add the installation path to the shell initialization file. So just go ahead and add it. This is just straightforward. You don't need to worry about it. And then we source the path. And then the next thing is to just launch Ansible Navigator. And there you go. That's my Ansible Navigator. So in my next video, I'm going to see how to browse through all these collections. Thank you for watching this video and see you in my next video.